Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another Quickie Yoga workout. So remember, our Quickie Yoga workouts does not necessarily mean fast, so we should still be efficient in our movements. So I hope you have fun with this absolute arms session. So we'll start at the tops of our mats, finding your Tadasana, either toes together or hip width apart, grounding yourselves. As we inhale, we'll reach the arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, we'll fold forward, saying hello to my plant. Inhale, come up halfway. Hands can press against the shins. Exhale, we'll plant the palms down. Okay, we'll step back to a plank. Holding here and breathe. And then from here, downward facing dog. So in this down dog, any movement, go ahead and bend the knees, maybe one at a time. Okay, maybe wiggle the hips side to side. Do whatever feels good in this first downward facing dog. Okay, and then when you're ready, we'll come to stillness in down dog. Okay, so we'll focus on the arms this time. Okay, from here, we'll shift forward to a plank. Okay, still bracing at the belly as you bring the knees down. Okay, this time, you'll shift the chest forward and then you'll bend any amount and then we'll hover. Okay, so imagine that you're trying to squeeze something in between your armpits. Keep pushing away. One more breath. And then from here, you can go ahead and lower down. Okay, plant the toes down. Inhale, just roll the chest up for cobra. Still activating the zipper. Exhale, pushing back up, downward facing dog. Okay. This time, we'll start to lift the right leg up. Okay, and then as you shift forward to plank, okay, you'll go ahead, bring the right knee in towards the arm, any amount. As you shift the chest forward, bend, push back up, kick the right leg back as you lower it down. Sorry, plants. We'll do that on the left side. Inhale, lift the left leg up. As you exhale, you'll shift forward, left knee in towards the left arm. Hover as elbows bend, push back up. Can kick the left leg back as you lower it down. Okay, 2 more pairs. Maybe for this round, lift the right leg up as you shift forward, bending at the elbows, push back up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward, left knee towards the left arm, hover, push back up, downward facing dog. Okay, last pair. Inhale, exhale, bend any amount, pushing back up, downward facing dog. Keep lengthening the breath. Last side. Maybe hover for a second, push back up, downward facing dog. Connect with the breath. Okay. So know that this will also be a lot on the wrists, so keep pushing away from the hands. Okay, one more breath. From here, we'll lower down the knees. Okay, and then when you're ready, activate the zipper, reach the chest forward, and then we'll hover again. Keep pressing away. Hold here. Nice. One more breath. And then exhale, we'll lower down. Plant the toes down. Roll the chest up. As you exhale, pushing back up. A downward facing dog. Breathe here again. Reset the breath. Okay. 3 more pairs. Same set of movements. As you inhale, right leg lifts. Shift forward to plank. Elbows bend. Right knee towards the right arm. Press back. Inhale, lengthen the breath. As you exhale, shifting forward, bending any amount. Keep breathing. And then you can go as slow as you like. Maybe go as low as you like. Breathe here. Last pair. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Pushing back up. Last side, inhale. Exhale, hover. Pushing back up. Downward facing dog. Breathing in and out of the nose. One more breath in. We'll look in between the hands, knees bent, stepping forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back to center. Namaste. So I'm sure our biceps and triceps felt that a lot. So I hope you enjoyed. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.